We are sad to inform you that your employer, Clara, has decided to no longer continue with your caregiver application. Hi guys, it's me again, Bebs Ligaspi. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, ay isi-share ko pala sa inyo guys na nag-back out yung employer ko sa Canada. So guys, ito po yung na-receive kong email galing sa aking agency na nag-back out daw yung employer ko dahil hindi na po siya nakapaghintay. So guys, marami pong hadlang, charot. Guys, sa mga sumusubaybay sa aking application, sa aking caregiver application under HCCP or Home Child Caregiver Provider. So, under new pathway po ako guys. Yes guys, nag-back out na po yung employer ko na sa Canada. So, alam naman nating lahat na ang new pathway application guys ay napakahaba. So, in my case guys, meron akong ads, meron akong request. So, ang nangyari kasi guys is during my medical is may nakita silang cyst sa ovary ko and then kailangan kasing tanggalin, sabi ng doktor, at hindi pa nila alam kung benign or cancerous. Sinabihan ko yung amo ko guys sa Canada about sa situation ko guys. So sabi nila at first na maghintay daw sila, and then after my operation, actually it was a successful operation guys, and then sabi ko sa agency ko kung pwede ko na bang ipagpatuloy yung application kasi nga okay lang yung successful yung surgery at yung cyst naman is benign. So ayun guys, hanggang sa di na nila siguro kayang maghintay ng ganun katagal, at actually guys, kailangan na kasi nilang magtrabaho kasi last year nung makausap ko sila, sabi nila na needed kasi kailangan nilang dalawa na magtrabaho. Wala na kasi ibang pwedeng makapag-alaga sa anak nila guys. So siguro naghanap na lang sila ng iba. Itong agency ko guys, kahit nag-back out yung amo mo, ay hindi ka nila papabayaan. So pwede ka pa nilang hanapan ng ibang amo. So yun guys. So, ang sabi dito is, kindly let us know if you still wish to proceed with your application so we can assist you in finding a new employer. If not, please advise us immediately. So, yan lang po guys ang masishare ko sa inyo about my caregiver application to Canada. And naniniwala ko guys na siguro hindi pa yung right time para sa akin. And siguro may ibigay pa si God na mas better sa buhay ko, charot. So, ayan lang guys. Once again, thank you for watching. My name is Bebs Ligaspi, and thank you.